What's up, YouTubers, sim racers, Mustang fans? So I got my Dark Horse out today, and I am going to replace this one with a nice carbon fiber piece from Jogon. Get over here and pick it up. Here it is. Beautiful. See what it looks like here. Bam, that's gonna look badass. All right, so as you know, if you've seen on my channel, I already tried to do a carbon fiber front lip. That did not work out so well, but I did order one from FFP Performance, and that is coming in soon, and I'll do the install on that one as well. But for now, let's get on with it. All right, so just looking at the stock setup here, looks like there's the engine. Is we got some just 9mm screws right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the rest are just kind of held in place, probably with some double-sided sticky tape or some clips here. So, oh, they're clips. Yep, they're clips. Oops, there you go. Held in with some clips actually, so no tape. So good. Clips and 4 screws. So I'll take that off. That's a 9mm, by the way. We'll go from there. All right, I gotta say, I like how this is done here with the stock. You got these little, the bolts here coming through from the other side, keeping it from all falling out and scratching up your hood. And you just got the 4 9mm nuts here for it. So nice cleanly done. All right, so just to show you, these are captured here as well. Oops, got the sun here. Oh goodness. These are captured screws here, so you can pull this hardware out and reuse it for the next one, for your next hookup. And these just clip off. So whenever you go to unclip it from here, you can just pull straight out with it and then pull upwards. I actually just pulled a little bit of tension off of these clips to pull it straight out. And there it looks all holy. All right. Alrighty, pretty simple. You can actually put the sticky tape on your hood like I did, or you could put it on the back of the carbon fiber piece, but for me it's a lot easier to align it up correctly on here. I don't know how much it actually will help as far as sticking in there, but the stock one does have a rubber O-ring basically that's going around here to help, you know, minimize water and stuff out of it. So that's actually fairly thick as well. But when you transfer over the 2 screws, you're only going to utilize these 2 end ones. So you just pull them out, slide them into here, same in here, and they lined up perfectly underneath the hood. So you only got 2 there, 2 clips here holding it on. So I hope this never blows off, but we'll see as time goes. We'll take it up to 150 and see what happens later on. So, all right. For full disclosure here, I went ahead and added a little bit more here because this is where it's going to bolt down. There's a little bit of a carbon fiber lip, of course, on the new hood vent, just to give it a little bit of extra stick. And I just added some more because I have plenty of extra tape here that comes in the package. So maybe it'll help stick it down. But anyway, I'll just peel this off, stick it on, and show you the results. Alrighty, so let's see if I can get the decent light here. Here is the screw, of course, on both of them here. And of course I have all the sticky tape like I said before. I don't think the sticky tape works all that great, but it is, because there is a little bit of gap here. Oops, focus on the sides. Actually, it's really hard to see with the light here, but I think it is pulling it down here around the edges. It does seem to stick pretty good. I would hand tighten these only, because you know, you're threading into some carbon fiber there. I suggest putting some blue Loctite on these as well. That's what I did, so they don't vibrate loose over time and you don't lose this $350 carbon fiber piece on the road somewhere, right? Or scratching the top of your car. So, make sure I got everything out of the way. That's what it looks like. Looks pretty badass. Now I went with the one that is splits, you know, down here, down the center here. Kind of like the RTR brand one. I was gonna get actually the RTR one, and I always thought like, damn, if y'all had a carbon fiber RTR version, that would be perfect. And lo and behold, Jogon came out with one. So, looks a lot more aggressive, I think, with that particular design. Sticks up some more, sticks up quite a bit actually. It looks pretty badass. I'm liking it. But anyway, check it out, check out Jogon. I'll put a link in the description. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that, but you can go find where this is at. So, hope you enjoyed it. I'm out.